The first thing you need to do with the plank when you're laying it in is to measure the right length and get it to fit, so as I have done here. Then the next thing is to come along and mark every second beam where it crosses the plank, like that, all the way down to the end of the plank. Stop. The middle of the beams has been marked, as you can see, with a small dot all the way down to the end. And I have set this set of proportional dividers to 9, where is it? Right there. 9 to 1. So that means that the pointers on this end, when I set them, this end here will be 1/9 of the other end. Okay, now what we do is start. Take the midpoint that's marked to the where the plank is going to go, the full width, and then turn it upside down and put a pin dot right there where that is. Then go to the next one, do the same thing. Take the measurement from the middle point to the edge of the already laid planking, turn it over from the inner edge to there, put a little mark. Third one, same thing, from the middle to the edge, turn it over, mark. Oop. Keep on doing that. From the middle to the edge, turn it over from the inside and mark. From out here to the edge, turn it over, mark. Eventually you're going to see that this is going to get quite a bit narrower quick, like here. We're already starting to see a narrowing. When I get to this next one, it's going to narrow a lot more. So in effect what I'm doing is I'm marking off where I should cut this to make it a plank which is 1/9 of the gap that I'm trying to fill. I've already done the one for the other side, and see how much of a change there's been there. Alright, we're down to this place, almost there. We'll mark that one down. Finding the little pinpoints and marking them more intensely with a pencil. You might have better eyes than I do, but for me, I need the pencil marks to show me where to go. Don't think pretty. Okay, that's good. Now with the pencil, I'm joining the lines. This doesn't give you the exact shape, but it tells you where the no-no spot is, where you're not going any further. Ow. Okay, the edge of the plank, and there it sets in, and this is where it's going to have to go. So I'll clean it up a bit and take those pencil marks off, and then it'll be ready to drill holes and blanket. Okay, off. this, I use regular LePage's glue, and I just put a spot in each beam. Don't even squeeze, just whatever comes out, that's what you need. You'll also have to be careful though afterwards that you clean up any excess glue that shows or strake is positioned over the glue and in place. And then I used some C-clamps to temporarily hold it in place. And now that we're getting down a bit, it's getting harder and harder to find a good spot that you can clamp it, but there always are some. Okay. You'll notice that there is some glue that's showing, and not much I can do about that. I'll get rid of it as I go with a Q-tip. Alright,